Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kara and I currently live in the Dominican Republic, and tomorrow I am going back to the US for the holidays. What does that mean? That means that I have to get a COVID test. Before, when I was leaving for summer and then for last holiday season, I went to Amadita, which is a laboratory here where you can get the test done, and it cost around 1,800 pesos, so that's about $30. But I heard, thanks to my roommate, that you can get it done for free in the Ministry of Public Health, the Ministerio de Salud Pública. I went and tried it out, and it worked. As of December 6th, anybody who is traveling to the US has to have a negative COVID test taken within 1 day of their flight. So I leave tomorrow at 9:48. I went to get my test done at 10 a.m. today, so that would be about 23 hours from the time I got my test results until my flight. So I went to the Ministry of Public Health and I went to this tent part in the parking lot, and then I was put in this line. It was kind of confusing. I didn't really know where I was supposed to be, but they told me to just sit down after the last person, ask who the last person was. And I asked this one lady and she said, yeah, I'm the last one. But then she got up and left. And they called for the next person and nobody was going forward, so they just motioned to me to come forward. So I went, I gave them my passport, that was all I needed, and then they asked me how old I was. They filled out the rest of the information from my passport, and that was basically it. Then they sent me to a little trailer where they're going to get the test done. There was no line for that either. I got the test done basically right away, and then I went to sit down next to where I was sitting before to wait to register to get the test, and then I waited exactly 25 minutes to get my results. On the phone they said 20 minutes and I got them in 25, so that's not too bad considering how bad Dominican time can get. And it was completely free. The only part I paid for was the Uber to get there, the Uber to get back, but besides that it was completely free, and the Ubers added together would not have equaled 1,800 pesos, which I would have had to pay if I had gone to Amarita, which was walking distance. I saved money. I'm happy about this. And if you are coming to Santo Domingo, or you're at least passing through or leaving from Santo Domingo, I think it's a good idea to go here, and then you won't have to pay the $30 to get your negative test. They gave me a printout of my results, not detected, so I'm all good to go. It was an antigen test. It didn't cost me anything. I'm very happy about that because I can be kind of mindful of my spending. I just wanted to let you guys know this opportunity to get yourself tested for COVID for free, because people say you can't get a free test, but here you can. So it is something you don't have to pay for, besides transportation there and back, of course. I just wanted to let you guys know this way I save money by not having to pay for the test, and you can too. You don't have to be a resident, you don't have to be a citizen, doesn't matter if you're a foreigner. All I had to bring was my passport and myself. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped someone if you're traveling here soon or you're planning to travel here in the future. I don't know when this requirement for the negative test within 1 day will go away for going back to the US, but if you need that test, this is a great place to do it. You get your results fast, you don't have to wait hardly any time at all. I would highly recommend going there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!